Welcome back to our series on starting your own consulting business. Today, we're diving into a crucial part of managing your company, payroll, specifically. We're going to explore how QuickBooks can make this complex task incredibly simple. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes and is a substitute for professional legal, tax, or accounting advice. Now, if you're already using QuickBooks for your bookkeeping, you're sitting on a goldmine. The payroll feature is a powerful add-on that can save you countless hours. It handles everything from paying your employees to calculating and submitting your payroll taxes, and even generating all the necessary reports for federal and state agencies. For most small businesses, the standard QuickBooks software doesn't include payroll right out of the box. You'll typically need to purchase a yearly subscription to activate it. Keep an eye out for deals, though sometimes you can find bundled packages at places like Costco. Once you subscribe, QuickBooks will manage the entire payroll process for you, from generating paychecks to printing forms and submitting taxes. So, what do you need to get started? First, you'll need your business bank account information set up in the system. Second, you'll need your employees' details, including their social security numbers and direct deposit information. Third, make sure your payroll subscription is active and ready to go. Finally, you'll need to set up what's known as ePay, which is your company's authorization to make automatic payments to both federal and state governments. You can find resources online to help you set up these one-time ePay accounts. Once they're configured in QuickBooks, you're all set. The payroll process in QuickBooks is a simple, three-step cycle. Step 1 is running payroll. Whether you pay your team weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, you'll run payroll according to that schedule. You just enter the hours, and QuickBooks does the rest. After you approve the payroll, the system will prompt you to send the direct deposit information electronically. This part, of course, requires an internet connection. Step 2 is paying your liabilities to the government. This means all the payroll taxes you've collected from your employees' paychecks need to be sent to the government. It's best to do this monthly to stay ahead. You can set the payment date in QuickBooks, and it will give you a notification when it's time to pay. With a few clicks, you can process the transaction and send the payment using ePay. QuickBooks will even email you a confirmation once the transaction is successful. Step 3 is filing your quarterly reports. Both federal and state governments require these reports to know what you've been up to. This process happens after you've made your tax payments for the previous months of the quarter. QuickBooks will help you identify the right forms for your state and will pre-fill them with all the necessary information. You'll just need to enter the current date and your electronic signature, which is simply your full name. Then, QuickBooks transmits the forms directly to the agencies. It also saves a PDF copy of your returns to a local folder on your computer, which you can change in the settings. The same goes for annual forms like W to South. You can submit them to the government online, directly through QuickBooks. It sends the data electronically, so there's no printing or mailing involved. I've personally used this system for 5 years and have had to mail a single form to a regulatory agency. It's incredibly efficient. As a best practice, always create a backup after you run payroll. You can do a local backup on your computer or sign up for an online backup plan. With local backups, QuickBooks automatically keeps the 3 most recent ones and deletes the oldest, beyond payroll. QuickBooks has incredibly powerful reporting features. Under the Reports menu, you'll find essential financial statements like the balance sheet and profit and loss. You can run these reports for specific periods or for your entire fiscal year. The drop-down menu for dates gives you tons of options, so you'll rarely need to create a custom report from scratch. One pro tip: it's better to close your report windows before you enter new transactions. If you leave a report open, you'll have to hit the refresh button to see the updated numbers. Forgetting to do this can be confusing when you're wondering why your figures haven't changed. You probably won't need every single report available. You can pick your favorites and use the Memorize option. This will add them to a special memorized menu for quick access. You can even add comments to these reports, which is super helpful when you need to communicate with your accountant or tax preparer. Many reports also have a drill-down feature. For example, if you are looking at a detailed profit and loss statement and spot an entry you want to investigate, You can click on it to open and edit the original bill directly, once you save the change. The report updates automatically. This is a great way to ensure all your comments and entries are consistent and accurate. And if you're a busy executive with an assistant managing QuickBooks, you can set it up to automatically generate and email all your key reports to you in one go. You'll get a neat package of PDFs you can review whenever you have time. The days of manually building custom reports are long gone. Finally, if you do need something more specific, QuickBooks offers a huge library of about 4,500 contributed reports tailored to different industries. Just go to the Report Center and look under the Contributed tab. You can browse reports, see their rankings, and download them for your own use. And that's a wrap on leveraging QuickBooks Payroll and Reports for your consulting business. It is a tool that can truly streamline your operations and give you back your most valuable asset, your time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video in our series. See you next time.